Imagine a world where young minds are inspired to innovate, to create, and to lead. Welcome to the Catch Them Young program. A mission to ignite the spark of innovation in the future leaders of Odisha. Organized by Bhubaneswar City Knowledge Innovation Cluster, BCKIC Foundation, an initiative by the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India in association with Niti Aayog under AIM initiative. With over 331 ATL schools across 20 districts. This program is building a community of innovation. Phase 1 brought together over 100 teachers to learn, collaborate, and explore innovative teaching methods. A tour of cutting-edge lab facilities inspired educators to reimagine the learning experience for students. In Phase 2, the ATL Think Camp took center stage. Over 1,000 students unleashed their creativity, pitching more than 300 innovative ideas. This intensive camp nurtured problem-solving skills and entrepreneurial spirit. The grand finale, the Student Innovation Fair, showcased projects that wowed educators, industry leaders, and policymakers alike. 80+ groundbreaking ideas came to life, proving that young minds hold the power to transform the future. Together, we can create a future powered by innovation and creativity. Let's catch them young and transform the world.